The most popular thing everyone always asks me is, what camera did you use? When in actuality, it should be asking me, what lighting did I use and how did I set it up? Unless you're using an Alexa or a Red camera, like one of them high-end cameras, most of these cameras kind of do the same thing at this point. So what's gonna set you apart is your lighting and how you set it up. I was on set with this client and she wanted a pink moon in the background of her. So what I did was grab the NANLITE projector, connect it to my Forza 60C, put it on a C-stand, and I put it high enough that she won't be in the actual circle of the projector. If you do a lot of run and gun like myself or shoot a lot of music videos and you need some versatility but still compact that could fit in your bag or easy to carry, I would suggest a Forza 60C. This is like a beast and it's so small. I just fit it inside my little luggage and I'm out. Now it can do the bicolor of your whites and your tungstens, and it also does RGB color. You can use the NANLITE app to control the lighting and actually dial into the exact color that you want. So I made my Forza 60 the color pink and made it a little blurred so it's not as sharp and it'll kind of resemble a moon in a sense. The next step as far as lighting, you want to separate your subject from the background. I use my Mix Panel 150 NANLITE, which is RGB as well, and I dialed into like a soft blue and hit her from an angle. And on the other side, I use one of my Pavo tubes, NANLITE as well. Shout out to NANLITE. What's dope about not just the tube, the accessories that come with it, I actually got to put like a barn door grid with it, which is super helpful because a lot of times when you are trying to separate your subject from the background, you get problem with spill. That's really what the barn doors is for. The grid is so you can get it zoned in on exactly where you want it on your subject. So I got to get a little tone of the pink so it can match with the background so it looks like the moon is hitting her from the back. And the secret sauce to a lot of my looks is the fog and the mist look, because it gives it that refined professional look and it always look good in any shot. Now with this NANLITE projector, I love it because it comes with different gobos to change like the dynamic of the projection with different shapes and different designs, but it comes with about like 4 different ones. They got the shades, they got fireworks, they got this creative shape right here that I used for her just to give her another look, just to add some range to it. I say all that just to say lighting is everything, so you should spend a lot more time figuring out the lighting instead of the camera.